Oh, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are having one question from Thailand Mathematicals Olympiad 2004. The question is given: let a and b be the real numbers such that a to the power of 6 minus 3a square b power 4 is equal to 3 and b power 6 minus 3a power 4 b square is equal to 3 root 2. What is the value of a power 4 b power 4? So here this is a logical question. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, don't forget to pause the video and try it. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Like this, Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded so that you can get the latest updates. So like this, nearly 400 videos are uploaded. You can watch the remaining videos also. So here this question is having some logic, that's why it is selected. So before going to this question, here we required two simple formulas. AB whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write plus or minus a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square. So another formula is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. By using these two formulas, we are going to solve this problem. So here, by seeing the equations, you have to get the idea. So here, if you add, if you subtract, then also you are not getting any result. So here, the logic is first you will do squaring. Squaring the first equation, a to the power of 6 minus 3a square b power 4 is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides. So what will get here? A square, a to the power of 6 whole square plus b square, 3a square b power 4 whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a power 6 into 3a square b power 4 is equal to 9. So here you'll get a to the power of 12 plus 9 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 8 minus 2 3s are 6 a to the power of 8 b to the power of 4 is equal to 9. Let it be 1 now. Now if you do the squaring on both sides of second one now, second equation what is given, squaring on both sides, b power 6 minus 3a power 4 b square whole to the power of 2 is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. The second one we are doing squaring on both sides. So here also you'll get b power 6 whole square plus 3a power 4 b square whole square, b square value, minus 2ab, 2 into b power 6, b power 6 into 3a to the power of 4 b square is equal to 9 into 2. You will get 18. Squaring on both sides. So here you will get b to the power of 12 plus 9a to the power of 8 b to the power of 4 minus 6 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 8 is equal to 18. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So here a to the power of 12 plus 9 a to the power of 4 b power 8 minus 6 a to the power of 8 b power 4 plus b to the power of 12 plus 9 a to the power of 8 b to the power of 4 minus 6 a to the power of 4 b power 8 is equal to 9 plus 18. Here you'll get a to the power of 12. So 6 a to the power of 8 b power 4, 9 a to the power of 8 b power 4, both are like terms. So here you'll get 3 a to the power of 8 b power 4 plus here 6a power 4 b power 8, 9a power 4 b power 8, both are like terms. So here you'll get 3 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 12 is equal to 27. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So we'll see here a to the power of 4 whole cube plus second formula you are using 3 a to the power of 4 whole square b power 4 plus 3 a to the power of 4 b power 4 whole square plus b to the power of 4 whole cube is equal to 27. Now it is in the form of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You can write it as a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 whole cube is equal to 27. Now a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to cube root of 27, that is equal to 3. Therefore a power 4 b power 4 is equal to 3. So I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.